Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and today we're diving into a magical underworld adventure with a DIY budget-friendly mermaid party setup. If you're interested in seeing how everything comes together, be sure to watch the entire video. Here's everything that I picked up from Walmart. So I found this box of seashells for around $11. This tablecloth was about $3.98. I got the pack of Hershey candy bars for about $4. The light up cake topper was $2.98. The hard rock candy was $6.50, and the gumballs were about $4. The brown sugar is actually from Dollar General. And here's what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. The bubbles are actually from Walmart. I got this pack of Mermaid gift wrap paper off of Amazon for around $6. The pack that I purchased is currently unavailable, but if I can find a similar pack, I will link it below. This is the backdrop stand that we're going to be using. I didn't have to purchase this because I already had it. I have actually had it for a few years now, and it has held up pretty well. So here's how it looks with the one pack of curtains and the tablecloth behind it. It could have been better. I wish I would have gotten another pack of the curtains to make it look fuller. So here's how it looks once we added the balloon garland, and I'm going to be making some cutouts to add to it. To attach the cutouts, we first were using the glue dots that were included in the balloon kit, but they didn't hold, so we ended up using some double-sided tape. The balloon garland turned out great using one of the balloon kits. However, I think it would have looked a lot better and fuller if I would have purchased a second kit. For more detail and amazing balloon decor ideas, check out Fly High Balloons Creation channel here on YouTube. For the table, I found this really cute tutu table skirt on Amazon. I got the 8 feet one and it was on sale for around $14 as well. Now, let's move on to the fun part, creating the custom party favors. I'm going to be using our templates and I'm going to be printing the labels out using our glossy photo paper. Because I made so many different party favors, I'm not going to go into full details on how to use each of the templates, but I am going to show which templates were used, include snippets of me using them, and show how to assemble each item.
Next, we're moving on to our custom chocolate candy bars. For this project, we used a plastic table cover to wrap the bars. First, we cut the plastic table cover into pieces large enough to wrap around each chocolate bar. We then carefully wrapped the bars, securing the plastic with a bit of tape on the back. If you're planning to use this method, keep in mind that plastic table covers can retain heat. On particularly hot days, the chocolate might start to melt.
So after I finished creating my design, I saved it as a PNG image with a transparent background, and I uploaded it into Design Space and cut it out using my machine. Next, you're going to see me using my Xyron sticker maker to make the label a sticker, and I'm going to be sticking it onto the back of the clear plates. I also made these activity placemats. I printed them out on this 8.5 by 14 inch cardstock, and next I'm going to show you how you can resize the template. I also made some water bottle labels, and we printed them out using Jazz and Jay's waterproof sticker paper.
And there you have it. Our DIY budget-friendly mermaid party setup is complete. From custom party favors to affordable decorations, we've created a magical underwater adventure that won't break the bank.
We hope you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your next party. If you love these ideas, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more DIY party setups and custom party favor tutorials. Don't forget to visit our website at shop.hangingwiththekiddos.com for all of the templates and supplies featured in this video. We offer both digital downloads and print and ship options to make your party planning even easier. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Happy party planning. Bye.